Introducing this beautiful 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan Conversion van. Offering a Vision rear entry automatic fold-out ramp and kneeling system. This vehicle features a 3.3-liter V6 engine and around 65,000 miles. This automatic rear entry system allows the mobility user to drive up into the rear of the van. Also featuring an easy lock system to allow the mobility user to safely lock their mobility unit onto the vehicle for safe transport. With the touch of a button located near the steering wheel, you can either fully close or open the rear hatch, deploying the ramping and kneeling system. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan Conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.